I saw this video where this guy painted like a multi-dimensional drawing, like in a computer, where as you got deeper into a single point on the painting, it would open up into additional space. So the smaller you got, the smaller point, the most refined point, opened up the most new space. It's like you see a picture and you see a point in the distance. The picture is filled with an image. You fixate on one point of light, and you go into that point of light, and you discover a whole new realm inside that point, an infinite realm of infinite size. That's like a space dilation. That works in just that way. The smaller the point, the larger the space. It's like looking at a 1 photon of light from a telescope, and that photon of light is opening up a space that encompasses 10,000 galaxies. So inside that space, there is the space of 10,000 galaxies. So the deeper you go, the bigger the space that you discover. It's like sticking your head into a bubble and then sticking your whole body into the bubble. I call that dilation of space, space dilation. The reason that is possible, like in reality, is because the particles that amass to create those realities are so tiny that within a pinhole of space, you can draw an entire solar system, because the particles that you're using to draw with are so small. And so it's a matter of particle size. It's a matter of space of particles, the particles that are used to build that reality inside a pinhead. Particles, there's no limit as to how small they can be. It's like with nanoparticles, you can draw an entire building in a tiny space because you're using nanoparticles. I posed the scientific question: is that possible? That you get between smaller and smaller particles as you go deeper and deeper into the structure of reality. And so that at one point, you can get in the space between two particles, and those two particles are separated by light years. There is a limit as to how large objects could be, some type of limit, a lot more expansive than what we think. But there is no real, if particles are fields of energy, there's no limitation as to how small a particle can be. And if there's no limitation how small a particle can be, it's like you enter into a hidden space, where inside a pinhead, there is enormous space, infinite space. It's like the shrinking man. The smaller he gets, the larger the space gets.